Hi, beautiful angel. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your November love and work forecast for Leos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, rising sign is in Leo, or if you know a Leo, you can cross watch this reading for them, friends. And happy Halloween! Yes, friends, today the decor and the theme of the reading is Halloween. So, friends, if you enjoy this reading and this decor, make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. I post every day, 2 3 times a day, in fact. So make sure to like, share, subscribe. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends, and this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. I have already done the November pick a card reading, so make sure to check them out. Charms reading, it is a very detailed reading. 1 year from now, November love pick a card reading, so yeah, make sure to check that out, angels. So let's see what is the theme for you Leos for the month of November. If you know a Leo, you can cross-watch it for them, friends. Leos, what is the theme for Leos for November? Wow, Four of Wands and the Seven of Swords. Leos, World, and the Three of Pentacles. First things first, friends. November is your busy month. Yes, get ready, Leos. You are going to be busy working, with people at your work, in your life, in your family. You'll be busy. This is a people-oriented month for you. You are busy. Make sure for that to find. Get ready, friends. It is a busy month for you. Also, your focus this month will be relationships, marriage, commitment, what those things means. If you are married, your marriage will be important this month. If you are single, you would like to get married, or there will be theme of marriage. Commitment is on your mind, like what it means to you, how it will happen, what it will happen. I also feel, friends, this month you are coming out of some trust issues. Some people have caused you pain, they have destroyed your faith, they have hurted you, cheated you. You will be saying bye bye to them, or you will get to know who is the one. Like if you had doubts on someone, whether they were cheating on you, hidden things will come to light, I feel, in November, Leos, for you. So yes, get ready. I also feel, friends, this month your focus will be on worldly issues like world travel, world education. You will also want to learn something like, related to education. You want to travel for work, for education, somewhere in some other country or city. So this is like a lot busy month. A lot is happening. You are thinking a lot. So a lot is happening in this month. It is a good month, busy month. Get ready. So let us see your love life, Leos. Let's see that your love life for the month of November. Then we're gonna look for your work and career. Love life for Leos for November. Oh my god. The Death. The Four of Swords. The Chariot. Oh my god. Your cards are jumping out. The Queen of Swords. Let's take it here. The Page of Wands. The Sun. The Five of Pentacles. The Ace of Swords. The Justice. Three of Swords, Five of Cups. Oh my god, friends. I don't know why, but I feel like, you start the month, Leos. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini this month, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you could be dealing with a Scorpio, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this month. I feel, friends, you are currently, when you step into or start November, or even right now, you have ended a relationship and you are still thinking about it. Or the one you have ended a connection with, they are thinking about you. There's a lot of energy of mutual thinking about an ending that has happened. A relationship has ended. Probably if you are in a marriage, you might be wondering whether it will survive or not. If you are single, you want to change your life, you want to change. If you are waiting for a lover or someone, you are thinking about why something has ended, Where will it lead to? What is next? All those things in your mind. Someone else is also thinking about you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I feel, friends, the first week of November will be quite a slow week for you, because there won't be a lot of talks or a lot of things happening in your love life. You'll be taking time to relax, you'll be taking time to focus on yourself, on healing. Your person will also be keeping some distance from you, but I feel from the second week of November things will move on for you, communications will open up, and someone might come to meet you, or you might meet them by chance. So something will happen. I also feel that you could be getting this person you are with, they might be making a move towards you, offering you something, offering you commitment, or they might call you or make a plan to meet you. I also feel for some of you this is a new person coming in the second week of November. So get ready. Yes, friends, someone new could be coming towards you because you have ended something. So someone new could be there. uh, I don't know if you will accept them or not, but I do see someone new or the past person returning back towards you, making a move towards you, and you feeling excited also. I feel the third week of November will be happy for you. Things will be going well in your love life. There will be clarity, there will be love, affection, communications will open. I do feel you are dealing with a twin flame. Yeah, you are dealing with the twin flame, and things will be more or less happy in the third week of November. I do feel this person and you have struggled a lot in the past. This has not been the easiest of relationship. Nope. I also feel, friends, that some of these, some of you are married and your relationship or marriage is going through ups and downs, ups and downs. But I think it will survive. You don't need to get worried about it. Things will be okay. I also feel that someone else's finances can become, or career can become a problem or affect your love life. Your own finances could affect your love life. So maybe some of you are not working, or some of you are having, your partner could be having some tough financial crisis that could have affected your love life in the past. But I do feel in November you'll be able to come out of it, and breakthroughs are coming. Yes, friends, communications will become open, they will become clear. Someone will express their love, someone will also want to win you again, someone will also try to do justice for you, they will want to win you again. If someone has been if you are in a toxic relationship, you will find justice. And if your relationship was going ups and downs, you will find balance, friends. November will bring you balance, clarity, love, emotion, happiness. But I do see, friends, at the end of the month, you might feel like, you might feel a little sad, or the past issues might repeat again. I will take a clarifier, but let me just say for now what is happening. Uh, you may feel disappointed with this person again, or with love, or with life. So, yeah, make sure to. Because, see, someone has been. Some truths may come out which you already knew, like someone is cheating, or someone is hiding the fact they love you, they want to. It could be that your lover is hiding that they are planning to get married, or their family is forcing them to get married. So some things may come to light in the last week of November, and you may feel a little upset. This may cause you pain, you may feel a little upset, but take care, take care. You just let me take a clarifier. What's happening with Leos in the last week? Yeah, things will be quiet, so you might be confused what's happening. Your partner might also be quiet, you might also be quiet. There will be less communication at the end of the month, so you might feel little confused what's going on. But I would suggest you to take a wise and mature approach, and rather than throwing the baby with the water, just keep the water and the baby, because I feel it's a metaphor, friends. It's not something literal. It's literal mean, it's not literally. Take a wise approach, take a wise approach. Be mature, don't act in a um, quick way. That's what I feel. Your person might be busy or they might not want to talk. You might feel a lot of confusion is going on between you and them. But take a mature and wise approach. I will take some advice because it's necessary for you. Love advice. Let's see. For Leos, love advice for Leo. Shine. Wow. See the sun. Look at that. Things are going to get better, friends, for you in your love life. Things are definitely going to break through. Breakthroughs are coming, positivity is coming, happiness is coming, and the Wheel of Fortune. Things are shifting for you. Don't worry if there is a one day bad day and the other day is happy. Don't worry. The cycle is there. Tough times will end, a new start will happen. Keep your focus on the heart. Keep your focus on the heart. It is your advice. Oh my God, base chakra, yeah. You might feel a little insecure with your love life or your marriage, or your partner may feel insecure about you or the love life, or there may be money issues affecting you, jealousy, insecurity, but you should listen to your heart and not let this affect you because you do have it in the theme. Trust issues are affecting you. Let's see your work life now. Leos, your work life for November. Friends, please do give these readings some views because it's a lot of work. And trust me, my throat is also gone sore and I'm working a lot. We all are actually. So do support. Thank you if you are already supporting. Who, your work, Empress, the Queen of Pentacles. The Hanged Man. The Nine of Pentacles. Wow, you're very, very busy in your work, Leo. See, you'll be starting something new in November. Also, if you have started already, then you will be working more on your new business, your new ideas, new projects. You are like this mother who wants to make sure the work is good, make sure the work food is great. You are like the Empress ready to blossom into many things. Also, you are very lucky with money this month. Money will be coming. Extra money will be coming for you, friends. Yes, extra money. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will help you in your work. So get ready. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel you will get promoted or you will get some. You will get a satisfaction of a job well done in November. I also feel some decisions will be there. You may want to change your career or start a business, or you may have already started a business but you have still a job, so you are like, what to do? Don't make any quick decisions this month, either in love or in work, because things are still stuck, things are still changing, things are still in the flux in the world. So you don't know where they will go. So don't make hasty decisions. I also feel. Business wise you will be very lucky, money wise you'll be very lucky. Also, if you are wanting to start a new career, go for it, friends. You will be extremely lucky. I also feel that some of you are planning to start a vocation or a side hobby as a business. Yes, you should go for it, but don't make it a drastic deal like you will quit your job or something and then you will start it. No, that won't be a good idea this month. Not the best, because not the best time. Definitely. You also have karma. So, past hard work will be rewarded for you this month. Past money, past payments, all the hard work and efforts and patience you have put in the past, it will be rewarded to you in November. Congratulations. Let's see, advice for you for Leos. Wow, the Strength. Wow, success. This is beautiful. The Eight of Wands and the Chariot. So the advice for you is that you are stronger than you believe, friends. So don't give up. You are very close to achieving a victory in your love life or your life in general, Leo. So don't give up. You can do it. Also, success is coming for you. Yes, all actions you take this month towards success or in work or education, you will be successful. I also feel that this is your month to move or travel, or if you are in a traveling job, yes, you will be able to travel and be more successful. Also, if you have to travel for education, yes, you will be successful. News and messages are also coming your way. regarding work and regarding education. Let's see some extra messages for Leos. Oh my God. So, career, yeah, see, career, your focus is mostly on career. You have the Three of Pentacles, you have the World, you are starting something new or reaching to, or you are already making your career reach a new height, a new success. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. I do feel you are unhappy about some past issue regarding relationships. August is important for you. Nest, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Yes, you are longing for family. You are longing for support, Leos, some of you. And also, if you are single, your family with parents and all, you might face some issues or you might want some harmony there. And a stubborn, aggressive person might be important, Ram. It could be an Aries person or a Leo Sag. Changes in your life, Moon. I do feel some things are shifting, especially your love life. Some things are shifting positively. Wrath, sorrow over a loss. Something has ended in your love life. Maybe a toxic connection, or maybe you are moving out of your home, so you are a little upset, or maybe you are going for college or first job, so you are a little upset about the ending. Deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Yes, success is yours. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Yes, some of you could be starting your own spiritual businesses or something this month. February might be important. So, if you are looking to change or completely leave or start something, February might be important. Like next month, next year, February, you could do that. So, that's it for now, friends. Please, if you enjoyed today's decor, these beautiful flowers, and the Halloween theme, make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Like this video, join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye.